if your AI voiceover sounds too flat or doesn't deliver the right emotion. Here's how to adjust the intonation in Artlist AI for a more natural and expressive result. Start by opening the AI voiceover tool in Artlist and selecting the voice you want to use. Since Artlist does not use a dedicated intonation slider, intonation is mainly controlled through the emotion setting, voice selection, speed adjustments, and effects. Choose an emotion that matches your content, such as a more energetic, calm, or professional delivery. Next, adjust the speech speed. A slightly slower pace can sound more deliberate, while a faster pace can make the voice feel more energetic. Artlist supports speed adjustments between 0.8x and 1.2x. For additional variation, try different voice models or apply a voice effect. You can also improve natural delivery by adding punctuation and short pauses within your script. Finally, generate the voiceover and listen to the result. If the tone still isn't right, make small adjustments and regenerate. Your AI voiceover should now sound more natural and better match the tone of your content.